Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Waze can actually detect and alert you. Open the app and sign in, then grant location access. Choose Always or while using app so GPS works when driving. Once done, go to your phone settings and allow notifications and background location. Otherwise, alerts will be silent or delayed. Now return to Waze and we'll flip the in-app switches that make speed camera alerts appear in real time so you don't miss the next step. You're inside Waze settings now, and this is where the alert behavior is configured. Tap Menu, then Settings, then Alerts and Reports. Enable both speed cameras and camera alerts so the app shows and voices warnings. After that, set how far ahead you want warnings to trigger, short, medium, or long, and choose a distinct sound or voice so alerts cut through road noise. Make sure the volume and do not disturb exemptions allow Waze to play sounds while driving. Finish by testing. Take a short drive on a route with known cameras and confirm you get visual and voice alerts. If nothing appears, update Waze and its map data, then clear the app cache. Outdated files can block alerts. Also check phone battery saver or location permission set to limited, disable those for Waze. If alerts still fail, reinstall the app, sign back in, and re-enable camera alerts. That usually resolves lingering permission or corruption issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.